was not too bad.
Wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
Imagine how much easier it was before she changed it. So what did she give you? What topics?
All of them?
You had them all? Yeah.
Yeah, just maybe one question for each topic.
How many questions did you get?
10.
Ah, easy peasy. So you have 10 questions for 1 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So my physics would be 20 questions in a double class. This is manageable.
It's not the same.
It's not the
Physics and
same?
maths.
No, not the same? Alright. Not the same. Okay, let's have a look. To test the purity of a metal object, its density can be found experimentally using the displacement can, where the object submerged in water and the volume of water displaced is recorded. The correct density should be 2.5 grams per centimetre cubed. Have you ever seen those displacement cans before?
Mm-hmm.
You've seen them? Have you seen them? No. They're just a just a can, and they have a little like overflow tap, and you fill the water to the top, and then you put something into it, and then of course the water flows out into another container, and you can read off how much water came out.
Mm-hmm.
So in this way you can measure the volume pretty well. Right, the first question is to find density. I don't think I need to do that. You all know that. If the metal object has a mass of 150 grams, what volume of water should be replaced? So this is density equals mass over volume. So volume equals mass over density. Now let's convert to kilograms. That's 0.15 over 2,500. But you could have kept using grams if you desired, and the answer would then have been 150 over 2.5. You should get the same answer in both cases. And what is that answer?
60.
6 times 10 to the minus 5.
So if we're using meters, it's 6 times 10 to the minus 5 meters cubed.
Mm-hmm.
And what if we were using centimeters here? What's
60.
60 centimeters cubed. Okay, are we happy with that? Yeah. If the actual volume was 65, what can be said about the density? So suppose the volume was 65. What can we say?
There's something mixed in it.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
Expensive.
It's interesting because if the volume is 65, it means one of these guys is wrong. Yeah. It's either has more mass or has less density. Or well, yeah, you're right. We should say it's less dense. Oh, it says what can we say about the density? So it's less dense. So because they ask us to talk about the density and the purity, I think somebody mentioned another possible reason. Was it you, Dorian? Less dense and what does purity mean?
Yes.
100%
Of the material. So what has gone wrong possibly? It's less dense because it is less pure, i.e. It was contaminated, it was mixed with something else. Do you know what I mean? It's a mixture. Yeah, is that what they say, or do they give something?
I didn't check the answer.
Yeah.
What was this?
This one is 1617.
Or maybe it's actually more pure.
No, isn't it should be okay? No, 16, 17.
More pure because it
Semester 1,
Semester
doesn't
1.
specify
version 3,
Version 3.
A6. Huh?
Doesn't
Version 3.
specify what
That is not.
metal
Shouldn't
it
it be
is.
actually
I suppose so.
Ah.
No, I suppose
So there's
so.
more silver mixed with it.
But the problem is the word pure just means how much of the original metal. So I suppose even if you put in a better metal,
So we should say that it is less dense and it is impure. 2 marks.
oh, there you go, that's what I have. Less dense and it is less pure. Also known as impure. 2 marks, 1 mark for each sentence. Less dense and less pure. Are we okay with that? Regina, is this okay? Zach?
Yeah.
It's okay? Are you sure? You have a different jacket on today. Don't you usually wear your green jacket? Is this warmer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We can close this now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Rightio.